Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day here. It's a Monday morning, and look at me. I'm in Africa, guys. So I just came from my house that I rented, our rental house. We are moving today, and guys, I took a motorbike. Okay, my house is on the other side over there. I'm gonna show you house after. I'm gonna do a tour of the neighborhood and stuff like that. But guys, I was picked up by a motorbike today. It was the most scariest ride of my life. Okay, very scary. So because I'm so scared of this motorbike, I decided to walk home. The motorbike dropped me at the house, which is over there, as you guys can see. And they're doing lots of construction. And and I am walking back because there's no way in my entire life am I ever going to take a motorbike to any again. My husband came to get me. He's like, I know you're so scared of this motorbike, but come behind and I'll hold me. And that's his second time riding a motorbike, but it's just like in the local area here, like in the village area. Oh my gosh, I was petrified. Anyways, guys, I'm walking home, and yeah, that's basically that. So this is my neighborhood. This is a new development, and so they're building a lot of houses. Let me show you guys. So as you can see in the background, there's a lot of construction going ahead. This is a new area, and so lots of construction is happening every single way. So everything that is here is brand new. Within 2 years, it's 2 years. um, there's these people who walk around with a little they have a like a shopping, they sharpen new knives, they sharpen tools, and they walk around with their little, what do you call that, I don't know, but you can see him there. He's going there, and he is he has a little, I don't know how you call that, motor. He has a little mic or something, and then he's saying, if you want to sharpen your knife, if you want this, if you want that, um, you just open your gate and you let him in, and he comes and sharpen your knife for you and things like that. Also, if you want him to do any work or something for you, maybe sweep your yard, clean your yard, whatever, then he comes and does that for you. But people here has a nice way of, making money, extra money or something like that. They have a way of making money, just hustling, so they hustle. And as you see, all these motorbikes are passing. Those motorbikes that just go around, and if you want a motorbike, you just say, hey, I want a motorbike. Some of them, if you're not going very far, it's 1,000 shillings, and if you're going far away, it could be between 2,000 to 5,000. It could be up to 10,000. It depends on where you're going, but usually it's $5,000. I mean 5,000 shillings, so it's not too bad. Anyways, this is where I live, and so I'm just waiting to get the gate open. I send the worker to buy me a broom and a mop and some clothespins, so he's not in. So I am going to wait a bit until he comes back. Actually, I can call my son. I'm gonna call my son to open the gate for me. But guys, it's very beautiful here. It's very nice. And let me try to show you guys this moringa tree. There is a moringa tree here. See this tree? This is a moringa. So people here, they harvest the leaves, and they add it to their meat, or they eat it with ugali. It's so tasty. So yeah, I am learning like a lot of things while I'm here, but it's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. If you look here, you will see sweet potatoes. They're planting sweet potatoes here. This person has started building their house, like right here. They're building their house, and what people do is they usually plant a little garden. So I guess when their house is finished building, Then they have their little garden to 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 eat from. This person planted a lot of okra and stuff. So they planted okra, they planted eggplant, sunflower, different things here. But as you can see, some of the things I think they harvested already. You can see okra still there, and yeah, some different things there. But it's a very, very interesting environment. It's a very dry, arid place. So everybody has like a meter system. They have like they're on a well, and then they have this tank that is on top of their houses. So it's interesting. It's interesting. And now it's like winter, so it's cold. Like last night was like 13 degrees. Canadian 13 degrees. It was cold, guys. Like when I tell you cold, it was cold. I was kind of surprised because I was saying like I didn't know it gets so cold here. I thought it was gonna be like I don't know, maybe just a little chilly, but it's cold. Like you need a socks, you need a jacket. It's a good thing I brought my spring jacket and then I had like a flannel jacket. Like guys, it's cold. It's cold. But they said like um, at the end of the month, I think in the next 2 or 3 weeks, it shouldn't be so cold at night. Then it's gonna be super super hot. So, anyways, but we're enjoying. Okay, so I am going to head in. I didn't see the gate man yet. After all, I sent him somewhere. But here it's just beautiful. There's all these trees. There's a lot of trees planted out here. The only thing is like you see these walls, everything is like fenced in. So most of the houses that you see is like walled up like this. When I move to our new house, I'm going to show you guys the neighborhood. Neighborhood is very beautiful, but it's very walled up and it says security fences. Even the house that I'm moving in right now, you have security fence. At night, you put the fence on. It's an electric fence. So like for burglars or any, but in the area is very safe. Like they told us like nobody steals anything here really. But at night, everybody puts on their electric fence on, and the thing is inside. There's a setup inside, and then you turn it on. So anybody decide to steal anything, they'll be like electrocuted or something like that, which is kind of harsh. But anyways, that's the system here. We're not used to these things, but we're getting used to it. But here there is some very interesting flowers. Look at that, they're so beautiful. Look at these flowers, so beautiful flowers. I don't know what's the name of these flowers here, but it's so pretty, so beautiful. You see these flowers, so nice. I'm definitely gonna have to plant these flowers because it's so nice. And then these trees, these are pine, but it's like a different pine. We have these ones in Canada too, but yeah, most people have these ones all over their property, so it's really really interesting. And then this cactus. So these cactuses are everywhere. Let me show you the cactuses. You see, they have these beautiful cactuses here. I have to get some of that too. And these ones, they strive a lot here. They do really well here. And I show you these flowers here, but it's really nice. You see all these nice cactuses? Yeah, so nice cactuses. And this, so beautiful, so nice. And I like that they plant a lot of these trees because you can just come and just stand in the shade here, or you could just put a chair outside here and you can just sit in the shade and just basically relax. But it's really really enjoyable. And another thing that people plant a lot here is papaya. You see this papaya here? Mostly every place that you go, every home, people has papaya. Papaya is something that people consume a lot. They use papaya here to as like a vegetable. So the green papaya is very popular here. They put green papaya in meat. They put green papaya in stews. It's very tasty. It's like back home in my country, we use green papaya to make things tenderize things. So, but here they use it just like a vegetable. So it's very interesting. I'm learning a lot about the different cultures that they have here. I'm also learning about some different foods that they make here. Now, also here they make something called ugali. I'll have to make ugali for you guys. I ate it the other day. Mm, it was so delicious. But they use different ugali flour here, I was told. So they have like a white one, they have like a brown one, and a kind of yellowish one. So they use different ones. And you know me, I like to cook. So I definitely have to try the different ones. But the white one, it's a very, very tasty. It looks like a, I don't know, it looks like flour, like the white one when you buy it, but then when you cook it, it comes out kind of grainy like. Anyways, guys, you know, I love food. So this is like very, very tasty. And I can't just wait to get into my own kitchen and start cooking some of this Tanzanian food. Anyways, let me get inside. I'm very hungry. I'm doing laundry at this moment and had to go check on something on the house over there. So I will see you guys in a bit when I get inside the house. I'll just wait for them to open the gate. Actually, why am I knocking? Okay, guys. The gate is open. My son came to open the gate for me. So these places are very secure. See? Like if you're outside, you cannot get in. Okay. Yes, my son opened the gate for me. And I'm gonna go through the back door because I'm doing laundry out here. Yeah. So I'm doing laundry. Guys, I'm doing laundry. I am doing laundry. Let me show you guys my laundry. Okay, guys, I am doing laundry. This is my bucket, my thingy here, my bag. I'm putting my clothes in. I have my laundry. I have my laundry here. I'm doing laundry on the back, and I already did some laundry. So I have my laundry hanging on the line. Yeah. So this is my first set of laundry that I washed this morning, and that's it. Okay, y'all. So this is my laundry. I did my first set of laundry. Now I'm gonna do a next set of laundry so they can dry. Clothes dry here very, very quickly. Like very quickly. It's very windy. It's very hot, and so your clothes dry very, very quickly. Anyways, guys, I'm very hungry. I'm gonna head inside and eat breakfast. Then I'm gonna come back outside and finish doing my laundry. All right, let's head inside and eat some breakfast. My son made me breakfast. I just went through the back door. So now I'm inside. What are you eating? Ooh, eating porridge and challah bread. He's eating porridge and challah bread. I woke up and I made porridge. Where is the porridge? Okay, guys. I am going to have porridge, and challah bread. Look, the challah bread here is 2,200. This is like $1.10. Like $1.10 for this bread here. Also bought this bread, which is the same price, $2.20. This is whole wheat bread, $1.10. So yeah. All right, guys. Hold on 1 second. I have somebody at the door. Okay, guys. That was James, the guy who works here. He's a young guy. He's so sweet. And so I sent him for me to the store, and he bought me clothespins. Yeah. So he bought me these clothespins. They are 500 shillings each. So I made him buy me 4, and then a broom for 3,000 shillings. And yeah, I was telling him today is the last day I'm in this compound, so I'm moving to the other house where I'm living there. But it's just like a 5 minutes walk from this house. So I told him, I said, James, I moved to this afternoon, and then when I want you, I say, James, I call you on the phone. James, hello, James, vizuri, that means, are you good? Kuja, my nyumba, come to my house. I need you to go to store for me. James, James. So he was laughing. He doesn't speak a lot of English, so I tell him some words in English and some words in Swahili. But he's really good. He's very nice. He's very sweet. And if I need something, he'll go get it for me. And he knows the Swahili price, so I like to send him so he gets the Swahili price for me, and I don't get the Muzungu, the black Muzungu foreigner price. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna go eat my breakfast. I'm gonna hang the rest of my laundry online, and then I will get ready to move our stuff. I went to the house because they have to come fix the switch because the switch is in the wrong place, and we need to plug in our fridge and also our stove. And the stove will be the for the stove, the stove top is gonna be gas. Like this one, the stove top is gas. And like the bottom part where you're gonna bake is electricity. So like here they have two sockets. So this one is for like for electricity, because this one in the back of the stove here, you use electricity in the back, and in the front you use gas. Okay, so most of the stoves here you can use, they're set up to use gas and electricity. So the plug of that new house that I'm going to, it's not proper. If I plug it in and I try to bake, it's gonna blow the fuses in the house. So anyways, they're gonna fix that. And then tomorrow they're gonna come and do some more repairs. They gotta put a plug outside so I can put my washing machine. They have some repairs that they gotta fix in the house. So I just have to go and check. So guys, I'm very hungry. Anyways, that's the video. I'm gonna share my breakfast and I'm gonna eat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.